Welcome to my first What I Eat in a Week. So I started off my week on a Sunday by going to the food store and getting some groceries that I needed in order to have enough food for this week. Starting off on Monday for breakfast, I decided that I really wanted pancakes, so I personally love making my own food, so I grabbed all the ingredients I needed to have in order to make pancakes, and as you can see, I am following the steps on the Bisquick box. I personally love these pancakes more than Aunt Jemima. Comment down below what you guys like more because I am curious and I always like hearing what everyone likes more. But now I am just spraying my pancake tray and cooking the pancakes. I love flipping pancakes, but I am never the best at it, as you guys can see, but I still think it's really fun and I enjoyed making them.
Life is a winding road.
Adding some syrup on top to top it off and enjoying. Next, I'm drinking some water because stay hydrated. Now I'm moving on to lunch. So for lunch, I'm using my foodie grill and I'm just preheating it right now and I'm about to make some chicken. I personally love cooking food on this grill just because I feel like it cooks it a lot faster. It literally only took me 10 minutes to make this chicken and usually it takes me so much longer to grill it, so I personally love it. Next to my chicken, I'm just having some cucumbers, some vegetables like carrots and broccoli and everything like that.
Say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
For my next meal, I'm having whole wheat pita bread pizza, so I'm just preparing it by putting some sauce on the pita breads and then I'm adding some cheese on top, and for this video I did toast it in my toaster oven. For Tuesday, I am having a bagel for breakfast. I love bagels so much and I decided to toast it because in my opinion, that's just how it has to be. I put them in my toaster oven and put it on the toasting setting, and then I put some butter on one side and jelly on the other. I did also have some blueberries for breakfast just to have fruit as well. For lunch, I am having a grilled cheese / soup for lunch. So I did have rye bread and I just cut a slice in half and put some cheese on it and prepared to put it in the pan.
Searching for my highs. You can say.
And then I also decided to go over to the sink and put on a pot of water just so I can have some soup.
Even if the sky is falling down.
I love grilled cheese with tomato soup, but I didn't feel like making it that day, so I just had chicken soup, but it was still really good and very tasty. As you guys can see, I did use my whole wheat pasta just because I am on a whole wheat carb diet, just because I do have PCOS.
Even if the sky is falling.
For dinner, I just had some pasta that I ordered. For breakfast today, I decided to have some yogurt with granola. I think this one was pumpkin granola. It was pretty good, and then I just put a banana on top. This isn't my favorite breakfast, but I do have it every once in a while just to have a somewhat healthy meal. I also added cinnamon on top to give it a little more flavor. For lunch, I decided to also go the healthier route and have some salad. On my salad, I have usually carrots and cucumbers and chicken, but I didn't have anything but carrots for this day. And then I had this drink that I don't recommend. It wasn't the best, and I also put dressing on it. For my next meal of the day, I had some chicken. These were chicken fingers that my mom made for my brother, and then I also had some vegetables with it to be really healthy. I was trying to go healthier today. I think I somewhat succeeded. So I had some celery with some broccoli and some carrots. I don't like celery at all, but I did eat it just to be healthier. I sometimes could have it, but it's literally not my favorite meal. Then for Thursday, I wasn't really hungry for breakfast, so I just had some blueberries. For lunch, I decided that I wasn't that hungry, so I wanted to just make some chocolate chip cookies. I don't do this every day, obviously, but because I was not really that hungry, I decided to just have something very light and more of like a snack. So this is what I made for lunch, and they were really, really good. For my next meal, I had some hamburgers. So I just got some meat from the store and I cooked them on my foodie grill. I just put some simple seasonings on them and they were pretty good. I also had some hash browns with my dinner for this meal and some rice. It's just brown rice with some peas and some egg. For the next day, I decided that I wanted to make some waffles. I love making homemade pancakes, homemade waffles, everything like that. So that is what I decided to make for breakfast on this day. I just followed a recipe that I found online. I can link it down below if you guys are interested. Just let me know in the comments down below. I did use a waffle iron to make them, and I did get the waffle iron from Target or Walmart, but I think it was Walmart actually. And then I just put some powdered sugar and butter on top. Next for lunch, I decided to have some pasta, so I was just making some whole grain pasta. I put the pasta into the pot and I also put some sauce and grated cheese on it as well because I really like that. Next, I decided to have some salad. So for this meal, I just used romaine lettuce, some chicken, some carrots, and some cucumbers, literally my favorite, and then just oil and vinegar for the dressing. The next day for breakfast, I just had some oranges because I wasn't that hungry. And then for lunch, I decided to reheat up some of my rice that I made. So basically what I did was I took white rice and put some teriyaki sauce and some butter on it with some peas, egg, and corn. And I just made a little stir fry. It was really good. And then for my last meal of the day, I decided to have some grilled chicken. So for this meal, I literally just put some spices together and added some olive oil for the base of the chicken. And then I marinated the chicken and then used my foodie grill to cook the chicken. After this, I just got 2 slices of rye bread and had a grilled chicken sandwich. It was really good. For Sunday, I decided to have some cereal. I love Cheerios and I feel like it's a healthier option, so that's why I chose this. I didn't put milk in it for this particular day. Then I decided to have pasta again because it's literally one of my favorite things in the world to eat. And I just put some marinara sauce on it and then also had a meatball and put some Parmesan cheese on top to top it off. Then then for my next meal, I decided to have some grilled chicken with a hamburger. These hamburgers are really small. That's just how my mom decided to make them, but I really like them. They're flavored very well. I had some salad and a whole wheat half of a pita bread as well. Well, that's about it for my whole entire what I eat in a week. I did want to make the disclaimer that I did film this a week ago, so that is why my whole entire Sunday is like filled out. It's because I filmed it last week, but I hope all of you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. Also, leave me a comment down below letting me know your favorite meal, what you eat during a week, or just anything you want to chat about. I will be sure to try and answer all of them. But with all that being said, thank you guys again for watching. Let me know if you want to see more what I eat in a week, and I'll definitely do them, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!